Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video. Today I'll be showing you how you can stake BNB with Trust Wallet. So to stake BNB with Trust Wallet, you have to follow the steps. First thing you need to go and log into your Trust Wallet account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page you go to the earn section. As soon as you press on it, right on this page you need to locate BNB. Or you could just go ahead and tap on stake now in the top and enter the exact amount that you wish to stake. And as per the asset, you could go ahead and select BNB, typing in or entering the amount. Click the continue button. On the other fees, you have to go ahead and read all of the terms and conditions, review all of the information, and you need to select the confirm button and confirm the transaction. So by following the steps, you should be able to stake BNB with Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.